Here's an old Emerson box fan from around 1959, 1960, somewhere around there. I got this from my neighbor when he passed away. And yes, this thing is in rather sad shape, but it still runs. You can see someone stuck an old doorknob on top of it for the handle. This model has a thermostat and will blow in both directions. It's all metal grill. Let's turn this on and let you see it run. It's high, low, off, and back the other direction. And here's our thermostat. Here's the other side of the fan. Now, unfortunately, this cabinet has quite a bit of rust on it, and I really don't know how to fix the problem, even if I can fix it. Notice down here how it's just rusted clean through. So I'll turn this off and flip it up and let you have a better look at it under here. Yeah, there's the underside of the cabinet. And you can see how badly this is rusted out. I really wish this fan was in better shape, because these old Emerson box fans are hard to find. But it is what it is. It was free and it runs good, so it can still serve a purpose. Okay, there you go. Thanks for watching.